Migrating your website to Cloudways involves several steps, ensuring a smooth transition to their platform. Here's how to do it. Create a Cloudways account. Sign up for a Cloudways account if you haven't already. Choose your preferred cloud provider and set up your server. Install the migration plugin. For WordPress sites, install the Cloudways Migrator plugin on your existing website. You can find this plugin in the WordPress repository. Generate migration details. In your Cloudways dashboard, navigate to the Applications section and select your newly created application. Click on the Migration tab to find the access key and SFTP details. Note these down. Initiate migration. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the Cloudways Migrator plugin settings. Enter the access key and SFTP details and click Migrate. The plugin will start transferring your website files and database to Cloudways. Update DNS settings. Once migration is complete, update your domain's DNS settings to point to your new Cloudways server. This usually involves changing the A record or name servers. Test your site. After DNS propagation, test your website to ensure everything functions correctly.